Hello Zareen family, hope you're doing great. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with the Zareen mining app, from creating your account, boosting your mining speed. So stick around till the end for some valuable tips and a complete app guide. Let's dive in. Once you open the app for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in using your Google account. After that, you'll be prompted to choose a unique username. Make sure to pick carefully. This username will also be your referral code. If you ever invite someone, they'll use this code to sign up under you. Next, you'll see a screen asking for a referral code. If someone invited you, enter their code here. Doing so will instantly give you 5 bonus tokens as a welcome gift. If you skip this step, you won't receive the sign-up bonus. Dashboard overview. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll find useful stats and a few important buttons. Start button. Tap this to begin your 24-hour mining session. Claim button. You can press this every 12 hours to collect bonus coins. Boost button. Want to mine faster? Use this to increase your mining speed for 1 hour. Boosts can be activated every 6 hours. Every session is automatically finalized, and your earnings will reflect right on your dashboard. Side menu features. In the side menu, you'll find useful options like Profile, KYC, Know Your Customer, Referral List, Helper List, Theme Settings, Logout, and even Delete Account. A quick warning: if you choose to delete your account, all your data will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. So think twice before using that option. Final tip: Zareen is still in early access, so the earlier you join and mine, the more rewards you can earn. Start mining now and grow your token stash for the future. Don't forget to like the video, comment if you have any questions, share with friends and invite them using your referral code, and subscribe for future updates. See you in the app. Happy mining!